National Park. Written by Mike Stark. Focus question. What can you see at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park? A volcano wonderland. Every day on the island of Hawaii, red-hot lava seeps from a volcano on the edge of the ocean. When the lava cools, it turns to solid rocks and makes the island a little bigger. This volcano, called Kilauea, is the part of the Hawaii's Volcano National Park. More than 1 million people visit Hawaii Volcanoes National Park each year. National parks are areas of special protected land. Volcanoes form a park. A volcano begins when melted rocks from the deep inside Earth comes out to a crack in Earth's surface. When it reaches to the surface, it's cooled into solid rocks. The rocks builds up over time. The rocks may form a mountain or even the island. This is how the Hawaiian island formed. Two of the world's most amazing volcanoes are found in Hawaii's Volcanoes National Park. One volcano is called Kilauea, whose name means spewing in Hawaiian. It's one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Kilauea has been spewing out rivers and thick lava almost continuously since 1983. Scientists think that Kauai began forming between 300,000 and 600,000 years ago. They think it probably appeared as an island 50,000 to 100,000 years ago. In 1070, at least 80 pupils were killed when Kilauea erupted. Then, in 1924, more eruptions at Kilauea threw huge rocks around the area. Some were as heavy as 3/8 tons, 7,258 kilograms. Leaping lava. In 1959, Kilauea sent a stream of lava 1,900 feet, 579 meters into the air, about twice of the height of the Eiffel Tower. Nearby is another volcano called Mauna Loa, whose names mean Long Mountain in Hawaiian. It's one of the biggest mountains on Earth. From its base far beneath the ocean, Mauna Loa is more than 10 miles, 16 kilometers high. Mauna Loa was formed in much the same way as Kilauea is the giant stretching nearly 75 miles, 121 kilometers across and about 13,680 feet, 4,170 meters above sea levels. This volcano covers half the island of Hawaii. Mauna Loa had erupted dozens of times since 1843. In 1868, an eruption caused earthquakes and lava flows that last 4 days and destroyed nearly 40 buildings. An amazing history. People have been visiting Kilauea and Mauna Loa for hundreds of years. Early native peoples made overlings or gifts as the volcanoes. Visitors in the 1840s were amazed by a giant lake of lava. People wanted to protect both the volcanoes and the land around them. President Woodrow Wilson made the area of the country's 13th national park on August 1st, 1960. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park cover 520 square miles, 1,347 square kilometers, extend from Mauna Loa to the coast. As well as volcanoes, it has lava tubes that run across the land and flows into the sea. Lava tubes and big tunnels in the ground formed by lava long ago. They were so big that people can walk through them. Wildlife at volcano's edge. Having a volcano nearby doesn't keep animals from living there. In fact, hundreds of protected animals live in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. It is home to the sea turtles, bats, unusual insects, and over 20 types of songbirds. The park also has many projects, native plants, and trees. Almost all the park's plants are found only in Hawaii. Many plants have lived in and around the volcanoes for years. Enjoy, but watch your step. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is a wonderful place to visit. Drive along a volcano or hike more than 150 miles, 241 kilometers of trails. Bike along a volcano's path or camp in the rainforest. The volcanoes are continuously watched for eruption. When lava flows or eruption are possible, parts of the park are closed to visitors. The special place is never quiet for long. Connections. Writing. Would you like to visit Hawaii Volcanoes National Park? Using information from the book, write a paragraph explaining why or why not. Science. Draw a diagram or make a model of a volcano. Write a paragraph explaining how volcanoes form.